Hey everybody, today I'm going to be making the tropical juice slush in my Ninja Slushi, and I just picked up some Welch's tropical juice blend at the store. It did say to chill your juice prior to putting it into your machine. I have everything ready to go. I am doing the 2 to 3 servings, which calls for 3 cups of tropical juice blend, and I'm super excited. It's a kid-friendly recipe, and it's extremely simple. So, with that being said, I am ready to go. I'm going to open my little hatch. My little cup thing here obviously only holds 2 cups, so I am going to obviously add in 1 more cup after I dump this one in here. So there's 2. And then you can make up to 8 servings. So it depends if you obviously have a bigger crowd or just really like to drink a lot of slushies. You can definitely adjust your serving size. So, as simple as that is, there is 3 cups. Now I'm going to close the little lid, and I'm going to pick this up so you guys can see what I am looking at here. I'm going to try not to have too much of the shadow in the way here. So it is just really this simple. So now I have the machine all plugged in and ready to go. I'm going to select the frozen juice preset. So obviously I'm going to try to do this so you guys can see frozen juice. And it is going, as you see. So we will let it do its thing. So it has been approximately 15 minutes since I started this, as you can see, and I came down to check on it, and it is showing this symbol right here. So in the quick start guide that you get with your slushie, it tells you exactly what's going on here. Obviously, since I use 0 sugar tropical juice blend, it is telling me that I need to add some sugar. So with that being said, it does say to combine the sugar with the base before you add it in the machine. Obviously, as you all see, I have already added it to the machine, so I am going to add some agave nectar just straight through the little hatch and hope for the best. But it does say to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of flavored syrup, juice, sugar, date sugar, coconut sugar, maple syrup, agave, simple syrup, or honey per serving. So I put 2 to 3 servings in there, so I'm going to do 3 tablespoons of the agave. So just so you all can see what I'm doing here. And like I said, I am not going to start over, so we're just going to wing it and pour this straight into the little hatch and hope for the best, because I've never made this recipe before. So, as you see, there is 1 and 2. And 3. And yes, it does say that the machine will beep at you to warn you for every minute for, I believe it's, what did it say? In here, okay, this is for the high alcohol sugar content. It will beep at you every minute for 15 minutes, but obviously we don't have any sugar in there, so I'm hoping this will fix it. So what I just did the frozen juice light was flashing. And so what I did was simply just press it again. And then you'll see they are all lit up. So I'm going to go ahead and push that again. And then we're going to let that continue to do its thing. Everything looks like it's working. So again, I will come back and double check on this in just a little bit. Alright, so it has been actually about an hour since I started this. And as you can see, adding those 3 tablespoons of agave helped, because now we have our slushie. So I am just ready to pour it now. And you do want to keep it running while you dispense it. And we're going really slow. So I just did a couple pumps there with my hand, so you'll notice that it is coming out pretty slow, but it still looks super delicious. And this cup that I have is a 16-ounce cup, in case anybody's curious. So it might actually fill up a good portion of this cup, which is fine. Super neat though. I'm glad that it doesn't take a whole lot of time for it to get to the desired consistency. And I just had it on the default settings, so if you want it more slushy, you can just adjust the slush level. So like I said, I just left it like it was. So okay, I'm gonna call that good just so I can get a taste of it and see. Oh man, that's good. Now it's hard to see because obviously I'm not putting it at my face. So. Yeah, it is super, super tasty. So, that is how you do the tropical juice slush in your Ninja Slushi.